You actually would like to get under those wheels. Hurry, don't do that. Well, I know that, but... Come on. Get in the engine. Tender locomotive. So this is what I was like driving the train one day. Put your hand on the throttle. Firebox. It's got a sound system in there. Gauges. Speed, pressure valve. Here's the brakes. Johnson bar. Hard to pull, and there's the throttle. Sit down and drive. Chick, chick, chick. There's an old coupling rod that went on a steam locomotive. Freight office. This is the train schedule at one time. There's the locomotive. Lynville Railroad. Jump in the passenger car. There's the bathroom. The old toilet. Sink. Milky Way chocolate, the famous Milky Way candy guy. Honor him somehow with this train. It's where the passengers would sit. It was like, I'm riding on a train, yay. Train. Had a TV in here. This was a little bedroom, I guess.
Bathroom.
There's a bathroom right there.
Yeah, that dude take a picture of this little bitty water fountain.
Yeah, I saw it.
Rick, the TV works. No. The system.
The flat car. Away track. She gonna try and climb that? L&N Railway. Caboose. Caboose donated to Lynville Railway. Yeah, it does.
Somebody must have put a saddle or something in here.
Who knows?
It smells like horse.
Who knows?
I used to think Abraham Lincoln was in there.
Are you kidding me? That's the stupidest thing I've heard all day.
Yeah, this is the part. This is why I thought it right here.
This right here is where the conductor would actually sit, Reed. There's the telephone.
I want it.
This is where they sleep.
Hello?
It's hard to climb with one hand.
I said suck you to the person who I was calling.
Alright, I followed the railroad tracks a bit. There's the train down there. These are still in use, these are not. These are abandoned. This is where the old switcher track was at one time. It's probably where they switched the track. This is where the switcher was. They took it out years ago. Now no trains can come running through here, so if that got switched, it would crash. And I don't think any are coming. Trains don't come through here anymore much. Well, they do, but only like once a day. Go!
Wait, I'm not sitting down.
Just bring.
Go back to the train one more time. I'm figuring out some things at all
Oh, Reed, don't go in there. Something could fall in that whole thing.
a lot of metal.
Alright. Track's still in use. Still remains of the old track over here, and I think it went across there and then switched. I can see where the switcher was. Alright, you guys, this has been Drake 2001 here with the Lynville steam locomotive. Drake 2001 signing out.